Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aishaturradhiah Binti Muhammad Hanip. My metric number is 1201623. For the individual assessment, I have chosen for journal review for the title Family Disputes in Administration of Estates, Analysis on Mediation as Effective Dispute Resolution Mechanism in Malaysia. To begin with the journal review on family disputes in administration of estates, analysis on mediation as effective dispute resolution mechanism in Malaysia, this article is an insightful article that explores into the utilization of mediation as an efficient method and highly effective mechanism for resolving family disputes encountered in the administration of estates in Malaysia. This journal also seeks to elucidate the benefits of mediation and to bring forth the better understanding of the positive effect as a means of resolving these conflicts while also exploring its effectiveness within the Malaysian legal framework. Therefore, this article offers a comprehensive analysis of the subject matter while highlighting the current landscape and potential future of developments. For the summary of the journal review, the journal has analysed the topic of family disputes arising during the administration of estates and studies the efficacy of mediation as a practical resolution mechanism. It begins by addressing the conflicts of family disputes and the complexities surrounding them. Rather than going through litigation process, which often leads to prolonged legal battles and costs more than expected, the significance of finding alternative methods to resolve these disputes was highlighted by the authors. Therefore, mediation emerged as a potential option within family conflicts in the administration of estates, because it can provide a more amicable and efficient resolution. The journal also explained the concept of mediation, drawing attention to its core principles as a voluntary and confidential process. While emphasizing the voluntary nature of mediation, this mechanism empowers parties in disputes to maintain control over the final resolution and preserve a sense of satisfaction. Meaning that this mechanism encourages an environment of open communication which provide innovative approach to reach creative and mutually satisfactory solutions. Also, the legal framework surrounding mediation in Malaysia, including relevant legislation, regulation and case law, was then examined in the journal. The journal discussed the provisions within the Mediation Act of 2012 and the Mediation Rules of 2019. Both of these rules establish a comprehensive framework for the country's practice of mediation. In essence, mediation allows a more collaborative approach and fosters parties to uphold the authority over the outcome, potentially reducing enmity and preserving family relationships. The challenges and limitations faced in mediation were also recognized by the authors. For instance, the requirement for competent mediators with adequate training and the potential imbalance of power between the conflicting parties. The journal concludes by signifying the key focal point of the journal, which is the effectiveness of mediation in resolving family disputes in the context of estate administration. The analysis of the journal consists of three parts, which are mediation as a dispute resolution mechanism, and the second one, effectiveness of mediation as resolution to family conflicts, and the third one, limitations and challenges of mediation. For the first one is mediation as a dispute resolution mechanism, which explains the potential of mediation as an effective tool for resolving complex family disputes in the context of estate administration in Malaysia. The second one, effectiveness of mediation as resolution to family conflicts, explain the compelled case for the effectiveness of mediation as a resolution to family conflicts while underscore its benefits. And the last one, limitations and challenges of mediation, faced by mediation as a dispute resolution mechanism in the context of family disputes in the administration of estates in Malaysia, was also highlighted by the authors. And for criticism of the journal, from my point of view, While this journal explores the effectiveness of mediation as a mechanism for resolving family disputes in the administration of estates in Malaysia, some of the topic is relevant and significant. However, the article still suffers from a few shortcomings that detract from its overall quality and impact. The first one is incoherence and ambiguity. Secondly, limited initial context. Thirdly, incomplete of literature review. Next, inadequate of comparative analysis. And the last one, restricted scope of practical consequences discussion. To conclude this journal review, the journal titled Family Disputes in Administration of Estates, Analysis on Mediation as Effective Dispute Resolution Mechanism in Malaysia thus offers a comprehensive analysis of the utilization of mediation mechanism in resolving family disputes within the administration of estates. This paper also brings to the forefront the positive aspects of mediation and explain in detail the legal framework of Malaysia. And also, through their research findings, the journal also compellingly demonstrates that mediation provides a conducive environment to address these emotional and relational complexities, as each of the family members voice their interests of needs. This mechanism effectively works in maintaining family ties and achieving amicably agreements outcomes. This journal also provides valuable insights for legal professionals, researchers, and individuals involved in family disputes, providing insights into the potential of mediation as a means to resolve conflicts in a fair, efficient, and harmonious manner within the Malaysian context. That's all from me. Thank you.